Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable Steam notifications. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Click on Steam and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam settings panel where you can customize various aspects of your experience. In the left panel of the settings window, click on Notifications. This section controls all the different ways Steam can alert you about events, messages, and activities. It's your central hub for managing how and when Steam communicates with you. Now, look for the option labeled Show Notification Toasts. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and you'll be presented with three options: anytime, when I'm not in-game, or never. Select whichever option best suits your preference. This setting determines the overall behavior of Steam's notification system and gives you immediate control over when toasts appear on your screen. Next, navigate to Client Notifications. This section contains several options for different types of notifications you might receive while using Steam. In the right panel, you'll notice two options available for each notification type: Show Toast and Play Sound. Each notification comes with its own toggle switch, making it easy to customize your experience. Simply click the toggle switch to disable any notification you don't want to see or hear. After that, navigate to Friend Notifications. Here you'll see a variety of friend-related notifications that Steam can send you, including when friends come online, start playing games, or send you messages. Just like before, the right panel gives you two options: Show Toast and Play Sound. Each notification has its own toggle switch, so go ahead and click the toggles to disable the specific friend notifications you want to turn off. Alternatively, you can also disable Steam notifications like Store News, Personal Activity, Wishlist Activity, and other options. Scroll down until you find these sections. For each notification type, you'll see checkboxes labeled by email, toast, mobile, and feed. Simply uncheck the boxes for the notification methods you want to disable. This gives you even more granular control over how Steam communicates with you across different channels. And that's it. You've now customized your Steam notification settings to match your preferences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.